Hey, what's up? It's Kelly back with another video. I'm basically just going to be trying to turn myself into a Gothic queen. So as you can tell, I'm a very pink bubbly person. Pink is my favorite color, but I've always, kind of been interested in the Gothic community since I was a child, and I just always wore too many colors, and I was always just too sparkly and bubbly to be Gothic. So I just want to try the makeup look today, and we're gonna see how it goes, and I have a really cute outfit I can put on with it. So I have my two makeup bags. I honestly don't know what's in them, but we're about to find out. Basically, I know that they like the ashy, pastel type of face look with a lot of dark powders, and I definitely have my black lipstick here. So I'm looking for something to use on my eyes because I have a lot of bright colors for my eyes. But if it comes down to it, hey, to be honest, let's live out my Gothic dreams right now. So I'm basically just going to start with concealing under my eyes and like my dark spots. And I'm going to be using my Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Concealer in the color 6W Deep Warm. And I guess this is new. I don't even remember. But go off. I'm just going to make, my face like a bit more pasty, chalky. And really just try to even my tone as well. And let's just go back in with another under the eye, and I'll do the nose for good measure. So I'm just going to take my other finger and blend out the concealer around my breakout, not essentially on it. Honestly, I know like a lot of Gothic people like foundation, and I really don't, but I'll do it. This is the Lancome 24-hour foundation in the color 460 Suede. So this is definitely going to give me that ashy look that I was looking for. And this is not a great way to blend. So we're just gonna... And honestly, I'm going to add some contour powder and stuff. So this is all going to be okay in a second. She's blending and this is old. So let me try to be Gothic about it. Now we're just going to set our face powder. And basically, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Invisimatte powder. And so I'm basically just going to dip my brush in there. And then pat under my eyes to set that under eye powder. And you really can set your whole face because it seems, I don't know, like if I'm just old. And this is like the generation that I'm used to of goths. But they're usually like super matte, like a vampire, literally, like, I don't know. When I was young, there's a difference between a goth kid and a vampire kid. So I don't know. It could be me just being like a normie talking out my side, but that's what I think the politics are in the Gothic community. Now that I've set my face, I'm just gonna take my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil brown bronzer in the color medium deep. And I'm just going to swivel my same brush because I only use one brush. Swivel my brush in and contour my face. And I'm trying to get like a bit of a shadow due to the fact that that is the style. It's okay if you have too much bronzer. That's the best part. Thin. And I'm gonna get a little going under here. Get a little Jack Sparrow jawline. I wonder if I can like kind of get myself a little booty chin. That'd be cute. Blend it out. Is that cute? Oh. I'll take a little bit more because this is, I feel like, just so light and cheery. This color might just match my skin too well. I'm kind of using it as a blush right now too. Now we're gonna move on to the eyeliner. Yo, listen up. Here's a story about a little guy. This eyeliner sucks. We are Gothic people, so we don't have to wait. We're gonna scoop this eyeliner out just like this. Yeah. And we're gonna make a long black line going out. Yep, just like that. Yep. Mm-hmm. All of the heat started running through my. And it doesn't have to be perfect. That's honestly what I love about Gothic culture, really. It's just, you know, the fact that they're just so themselves unapologetically, and they're literally just like minding their business, doing their makeup. It's really cool. Let's bring this up past the eyebrow just to be different. That's hot. And then we can add like a little wing down underneath, just a little curved line going into my under eye. I think that's pretty cool. Maybe we can add another one like down here, like going out like. Now I'm just gonna take the same since I don't have any eyeshadow, I'm just gonna dip my finger in there like that, and I'm basically just wiping it on my, I'm basically blotting it onto my eyelid, and then I'm just gonna take the other finger and smooth it out onto my eyelid, blot a little bit more. I just love the fact that it can be like as dark as it wants, you know, like it's literally your face. Ugh, that looks so good. Now I've decided to use one of my bright colors from my other palette. This is from my Wet n Wild Color Icon palette. I'm going to take this blue color and just throw a little bit on top of the black on my eyelids. It's super pigmented, but we're going to blend it out. And I'm literally just, ooh, this is super pigmented. Great. We're just going to blend that out just like that. We really don't even want it to have like real color, you know? So now, I didn't do my eyebrows yet, I know. I'm going to move on to my lips though. I'm just going to take my little brush from e.l.f. It's an e.l.f. concealer brush. And I'm dipping it into my black lipstick. I don't have any lip liner or anything like that. I did have this cranberry lipstick that I bought from this Gothic makeup site, like this goth themed makeup site like years ago. I can't remember the name of it. It was so freaking cool, but yeah, it just kind of dried out. If it was still like, you know, moist, I would have used that. And so I'm just painting like this lipstick, this black lipstick on my lips. And it's kind of nice to do it with a brush because I don't have lip liner. I just want a bit more of an arch in my lips. Oh yeah, girl, yeah. Okay, we're looking really good right now, ladies and gents. Ladies and jeans, let's do our eyebrows. So I'm just taking my Fenty Beauty Brow MVP in black brown. And I'm just going to use this little brush to brush up my, I'm just going to give them way more of an intense definition. Really, I'm bringing like the tip down, like in closer into the middle of my eyebrow. So it's almost like a unibrow. And I'm just, you know, filling that in now to make it look more natural. Oh yeah. Yeah. I hope this isn't like offensive in any way to any gothic scene or alternative kids. I think that's what they call them now. I've just always really thought the culture was really dope, and I wanted to make this video for a long time. Right. Oh, honey, I'd do anything for you. Don't you fake it. I know your love's my destiny. Like, honestly, I'm like, maybe you don't like the unibrow. I'm into unibrow, so I'm like, sheesh. But I'm gonna clean it up for you. I look really good. Hey, yeah, wahoo. And now I'm just like taking some concealer, cleaning up my unibrow, and also patting it in the arch, in the inner arch of my eyebrows, so that there is more of definition between my eyeshadow and my eyebrows. So now I'm gonna switch my fits. Don't forget to sanitize. I can't come back happy like this though, so it's not even a Gothic shirt. Stop. Ooh, not ashy like this, child. Not ashy. Talk about ash. Don't even, what is this? This is grease. Ash. Oh, I look so cute though, to be honest though. Shout out to Teddy Michaels at the Floral House for this freaking super dope corset. I still have on my sweatpants. But yeah, it's really dope, really fun, really cute. And I love it. Shop the Floral House now. Shop the Floral House now for all your trendy and vintage needs. So I was thinking about doing like a little cyber babe, like, you know, whatever it's called. Like, you know how they always have like, I guess they have like the pigtails or the buns on the sides. Let's see. I have a safety pin and a hair tie, so we'll see which one looks better. Oh, my scalp itching. I feel like the bun might be more, like, you know, playful, but let's see right now. I don't know why. I'm just really feeling this, like, ponytail, like it's giving alternative babe. I mean, I could do something like this. I mean, this is cute. I see, yeah, I think the pigtails fit it better. I'ma get your heart racing. I just found a hair tie. God is keeping me. And honestly, that's really another reason why I never really have became a Gothic person as well, you know, or like tried to really do the goth thing. I mean, I did for a little bit, like when I was like 16, 17, you know, but I was just playing in it. And I really didn't know what I was doing. Their style is cool. I like the dresses, and the color black doesn't have to be like continuously associated with negativity and death. Like, I feel like that may just be like a taboo or like a stigma, you know? And I mean, hey, it is what it is, but everyone has their personal opinions as well. This is me as a Gothic queen. Try to get my light thing so you can see my whole face. You can see what I'm over here working with, like, because you need to see this, honey. Y'all fins to see me today. Let me just hold it like this. I look like a crazy baby doll. You see that, girl? Looking like a Powerpuff Girl up in here. Thank you. Thank you for watching. You watched because you wanted to, not because I asked you to or anything. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Why do I look like a completely different person when I'm like laughing? I love it. I'm 3 people. I'm 80 people. I'm a spider if I want to be, man. Look at this. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please be on the lookout for my next video coming later this week. And please go check out the video that I posted like last week of me. I'm not even going to tell you what it is because then you're not going to look at it. I was reviewing Justin Bieber albums. So let me know what you think. And I'll be here drinking blood. Until next time.